has changed how finance pros build models in Excel. What used to take days of manual data pulls, version reconciliations, and full scenario rebuilds now takes just minutes. And after working with hundreds of finance teams, helping them implement AI in their work, I'll walk you through how to use AI in Excel to build financial models that connect to your live data sources, run scenario analysis in seconds, and give you numbers you can defend in any meeting. Let's get into it. So let's say it's the start of the planning cycle and your CFO wants a forecast model that can show best, base, and worst case on the spot in a board meeting. Here's what that model looks like when AI builds it on top of your live financial data. The model is already populated with live data pulled directly from your source systems, with your revenue lines, cost centers, and headcount breakdown reflecting the actual current state of your financials. When something changes in an ERP or CRM, the next refresh pulls the latest numbers straight into the model without anyone having to pull a new export or reconcile anything. That same model handles scenario analysis in seconds. Instead of manually adjusting every section for each scenario and recalculating from scratch, you ask Claude to extend the model and it lays out all three cases on top of the existing structure. So when leadership asks what happens if revenue comes in at 15% below forecast, you can answer them on the spot rather than promising to circle back after the meeting. It's made possible by the data layer sitting underneath the model, which is what we'll cover next. Finance OS is the financial data foundation built by DataRails that connects directly to over 600 source systems. It pulls your actuals, headcount costs, CRM revenue data, bank balances, and more into one consolidated layer. The chart of accounts is already aligned and the data is already reconciled. So when AI queries Finance OS, it's working from clean numbers your finance team can stand behind. Unlike a manual export that reflects a single point in time, every number stays live. So when a source system updates, Finance OS updates automatically. Built on top of that consolidated layer are two other structures that make your AI outputs trustworthy enough to use in any meeting. The first is governance through role-based permission, controlling who can access which data and ensures everyone is working from the numbers that are relevant to their role. The second is an audit trail that logs every AI query, covering what was asked, when, by whom, what data set was actually used, and what the output was. These structures mean any AI output your finance team receives comes with a complete, verifiable record behind it. Any AI tool your team is already using connects to Finance OS through the Model Context Protocol, a standardized connection layer. Claude, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot all plug in through that connection. So when those tools generate outputs, they're pulling from your actual financial data rather than a file someone uploaded manually. That's what makes the model you've just seen possible, and it's the foundation for the build process we're about to walk through. If you want to see what this looks like with your team's actual data sources, click on the first link in the description and book a demo. Let's continue. All right, let's say you're sitting down to build a quarterly forecast model for next year, and you want it to run on live data instead of a static export you'd have to refresh manually every month. The build starts in Claude with the Finance OS connection turned on, then moves into Excel once the file is generated. Once the connection is active, Claude can query Finance OS the same way it would query a file you uploaded, except the data is live and governed instead of a static export. That means the model stays tied to the source of truth instead of becoming a one-time snapshot. From there, ask Claude in plain English to build the model. Build an Excel quarterly forecast model for next year using DataRails dr.get formulas. Use our Finance OS schema to structure the model by entity, account, and time. Include actuals, baseline, driver inputs, assumptions, and an output summary. Revenue, gross margin, OpEx, EBITDA by quarter and full year. Claude pulls the schema from Finance OS, inspects the available tables and dimensions, builds the model around your entities and accounts, and writes the Excel file directly. So you're not starting from a generic template you'd need to rebuild section by section. What I love is how fast it gets to a usable structure, and it mirrors how the business is actually set up. The right entity, strategies, the right account hierarchy, the right time structure, you're immediately working in your model, not a blank workbook. The part that keeps the model live is dr.get, a Data Rails Excel formula Claude writes into every cell that pulls directly from Finance OS. Think of dr.get like a VLOOKUP that points at Finance OS instead of another sheet. Each formula references a specific account, scenario, and time period in the database, so the cell knows exactly what to pull. When the underlying data updates, you click refresh in Excel and every dr.get cell pulls the latest numbers, which means the same workbook runs perfectly next month and the month after that without a rebuild. Now let's say a week later, your CFO asks if you can add a headcount tab broken out by department or run revenue per customer for the top 20 accounts. From here, you can just keep working with Claude directly inside Excel or extend or iterate on the model without rebuilding anything. Claude extends the model in place, and the same approach works for adding a headcount tab, a department breakdown, a revenue per customer view, or anything else the team needs. Every addition stays connected to Finance OS through dr.get, so the workbook stays live as it grows, and your team reclaims monthly rebuild time to spend on real analysis. If you're ready to see it in action with your data sources and systems, just click the first link in the description and book a demo. We'll walk you through exactly how Finance OS connects to your stack and show you what your data looks like when it's all in one place, fully governed and ready for AI to work with it. If you want to see exactly how to use Claude to perform financial analysis, check out this video next.